Hello children, this is a small demonstration of using a Kindle. This is Kindle Paperwhite by Amazon. Press the power button to get started. This is the home screen. You can see the list of books available. You can see my items here. All items. You'll see all the books. You can flip over page wise. There is a cover view also. Click on this button and press the cover view. You'll see the book covers. You can flip them. To open a book, you have to click on the book. Like we have clicked on the Canterville Ghost. Now this is the beginning of my page. I can turn the pages one by one. To change the font size, we can change the font size. Click on this button. You will see the different font sizes available. You can click on any font size to change the font of your book. See, the font has increased. Now you can select the font size accordingly, style, and you can set the paper margins. Once done, press the close button. Now we have this screen here. We have different options here. Suppose I want to see the meaning of a word, then I have to just press on a word and release it. I'll see the meaning: dictionary, X-ray, and Wikipedia. You can read the words and just press anywhere else. You will move out of the screen. Suppose you want to find out about a character of that particular story. You can click on that character and release it. Again, you'll see the X-ray. Now let us see how to add a bookmark. See, on the corner when you click, it is bookmarked. You can see a black bookmark here. This page has been bookmarked. Now you can turn on the pages. You can go on reading, and if you want to see the bookmarks, you can see, you can press here and go to the bookmarks. You'll see all the bookmarks. If you click on the bookmark, you'll see a small page what you have bookmarked. Click anywhere else to move out. Now if you want to remove a bookmark, you simply press on it and click on the close button. Your bookmark has been removed. Children, now we can go to a page directly. Click on go to, and you can go to the beginning. You'll go to the beginning of the story, or you can press go to and you can select a page from the index. You will see the index of the book, or you can type the page location. Say we type 50 and click on location, then we go to the page number 50. Now you can find out the meanings. As I told you earlier, you have to just press and release the button. Now just have a look that we are going to read through few words here in this story. By clicking on the home button, I can go back to the home page. Now we are finding out few meanings while reading. Let's say chase. Okay, then I continue to read, and then I find this word mysterious, and I am reading about it, the meaning of this word. Then I try and find out some other meanings like suspended. This is a character, so there is no meaning in the dictionary. There is X-ray available. And ghost, the meaning of ghost I have read. Now I would like to tell you a good good utility of this particular Kindle. We have vocabulary builder. Now you can see all those 4 words which I had seen there are here. I can click on it to find out the meaning again, and there are 2 options: dictionary and usage. Now you can see here learnings and mastered. In learning part I have 4 words. Unless and until I click on mastered, they will not go to the mastered. Now I have clicked on this. Now learning has become 3 and mastered 1. You can see the usage as well. This way you can increase your vocabulary.